Procurement. Unit 5. Securing quality supplies and competitive prices. Section 6. Measuring the quality of supplies. Obtaining high-quality supplies at competitive prices has been our objective for this unit. Thus, for successful conclusion of this unit, there is the need to discuss how to measure quality of the supplies we seek to procure. At the end of the section, we should be able to determine the right quality, assess the cost of quality, understand quality control, understand quality assurance, and understand total quality management. Most organizations will seek to maintain the quality of their offerings to their customers in order to 1. Differentiate their products advantageously in relation to their competitors. The ability to offer consistently high quality may be an important source of competitive advantage for the organization. Quality comparison is likely to be a key decision factor in customer choice between competing products. Organizations may also seek to maintain quality in order to position their brands in the market as quality brands, potentially allowing them to charge premium prices. Quality is an important factor in corporate reputation and branding. We maintain quality also in order to develop customer retention and loyalty. Satisfied customers are profitable because they spend more and more, while costing less and less to reach and serve. Poor quality may lose customers and also result in negative word of mouth about the product or the company. Most organizations will also seek to maintain quality in order to comply with laws and regulations, as well as avoid the cost of product recalls, returns, and customer compensation as a result of poor quality. Cost of quality. The cost of quality has been defined as the cost of ensuring and assuring quality, as well as the loss incurred when quality is not achieved. In other words, quality-related costs include both the cost of appraisal and prevention activities designed to try and minimize poor quality products entering the production process and or reaching the customers, and the cost of failure, that's the losses incurred because of poor quality products entering the production process and or reaching the customers. So this whole slide is saying that quality comes with a cost. We have the cost of assuring that whatever product or whatever you are doing in your production process is coming out as a quality product. We are assuring quality. Another cost of quality will also be the loss incurred when quality is not achieved. Definitely, we know when quality is not achieved, we may have to spend time and resources in reworks. We have to call back products from our customers. We have to take out defects. We may even end up missing our customers' demands and deliveries. That is why we said the cost related to quality include two aspects. We have 1, the cost of appraisal and prevention. We also have the cost of failure. So the cost of appraisal and prevention will have to do with the activities designed to try and minimize poor quality products entering the production process. So the appraisal cost here will be the cost incurred as part of the inspection process in order to ensure that the incoming materials and the outgoing finished products are of the right quality. And the prevention costs here are the costs incurred in order to reduce appraisal costs by preventing or reducing defects or failures produced by the process. So we can say that the first kind of cost, that is the cost of appraisal and prevention activities, is actually a good cost we are incurring because this cost is used to ensure that before our product gets to the final consumer, before our product even gets to the end of the production line, it's coming out with the best quality, the right quality. Whereas the second cost of quality, that is the cost of failure, the cost of getting quality wrong, as the cost or the losses incurred because of poor quality products entering the production process, as well as the poor products reaching the final consumers. This quality is bad. The product is getting to our customers. We may end up losing our customers. We're going to incur a whole lot of cost in trying to correct this kind of quality problems. It's going to delay us. If care is not taken, our product is going to get to the market late. And by the time that happens, our customers may have switched to our competitors and all that. So you're saying that the cost of quality is in two folds: the cost of appraisal and prevention activities and the cost of failure. Quality control. Quality control is based on the concept of defect detection or detecting defects, checking and reviewing work that has already been done to establish that it offers the right quality. This is the most traditional approach to management of quality, embracing a range of techniques for the following activities: establishing specifications, standards, and tolerances for work input and output. So organizations will establish their specifications, the specification they deem quality, the standards they're going to use in their processes, their parameters, which has to do with the parameters within which items can vary and still be considered acceptable. If we know this, we know that if it goes below that parameter, then the item is not, we're not going to accept that particular item because it doesn't fit our quality objective in the organization. Also, to monitor and inspect items each stage of the supply and production process in order to ensure whatever we are coming up with is of quality. Identifying items that are defective and do not meet specifications. Scrapping or reworking items that do not pass the inspection phase or the inspection process, and then passing acceptable items on to the next stage of the process. So we check, we make sure if items are defect, we take them out of the process before we move to the next stage. If there's a need for rework, if there's a need to do something again before it moves to the next stage, then we do that. We don't wait till after the whole thing and realize, oh, what have we done? We need to monitor and inspect items at each stage. Quality assurance. Quality assurance is a more integrated approach based on defect prevention. It includes the full range of systematic activities used within a quality management system to assure or give the organization adequate confidence that items and processes will fulfill its quality requirements. In other words, getting assurance is a matter of building in quality, not getting rid of defects. So here the main difference between quality assurance and quality control is that quality control is more of the inspection aspect of quality management. So after each stage, we will inspect, and then if anything needs to be done, if there are any corrections, rework that we need to do, then we do that. So we say quality control has to be the inspection aspect of quality management, whereas quality assurance relates to how the process is performed or how the product is made. So with with quality assurance, how the product is made is key issue here. Before even the materials get into the production line, we need to make sure we clear out defects. We need to make sure whatever is going in is of the right quality. We don't wait till we are done with that particular stage before we take our samples to test or before we check to be sure that whatever we are doing is of quality. Before we even start the process, we need to make sure everything, whatever is going into the process, is of the right quality. Whereas with quality control, you wait till you are done with that particular process, then you inspect. So if you're getting this clear distinction, with quality control, the process, a particular stage is done. Then we inspect whatever came out from that particular process and then take out whatever didn't meet our quality. And then if it met our quality before it can move to the next stage. Whereas with quality assurance, we need to assure our customers that before the material even gets into the production unit, quality is assured. We don't wait till we are done with that particular process or particular stage. That's the difference between the quality control and quality assurance. Total quality management. This is an orientation to quality in which quality values and aspirations are applied to the management of all resources and relationships within the firm and throughout the supply chain in order to seek continuous improvement and excellence in all aspects of performance. So just as the name implies, total quality management, all aspects of performance and not just some aspects. We are ensuring quality in all aspects of the performance. Some of the key principles of total quality management approach can be summarized as follows. We have the get it right first time. Quality should be designed into products, services, and processes with the aim of achieving zero defects. Taking into account all the costs of poor quality, no proportion of defects can be considered optimal or tolerable. We're not giving you a second chance. Whatever you are doing, make sure you're getting it right the first time. You won't go and come back and tell us there's a need for reworks and all. No. Get it right the first time. We also have the quality chains. The quality chain extends from suppliers through to consumers via the internal supply chain, that is, supplier and consumer units representing the flow of work within the organization. The work of each unit or each link or each actor in this chain impacts the next one, and will eventually affect the quality provided to the consumer or the customer. So this is ensuring that each party, each department, each unit in the organization is doing whatever they are doing right. They're getting the quality right. Because if one department or one unit chooses to fail or records defects in their process, it's going to affect the next unit, the unit that is going to take up from where the other or that department with defect left, which is going to end up affecting the quality of our final product. So we are saying that whichever unit in the organization should make sure they're getting their quality right before it moves to the next stage. We also have the quality culture. Quality is a way of life, a key cultural value in the organization which must be expressed and modeled by senior management and supported and reinforced by recruitment, training, appraisal, and reward systems. The organization should make it their culture, the way they do things. They should make sure whatever they are doing, quality is assured. They need to incorporate that into the objectives of the organization. Even if there's a need to add it to their missions or vision, they should do it. They should make it a part of them, how they do their things. When we hear of this organization, we should know that yes, this organization ensures nothing but quality at all times. Then we have total involvement. This is when every person within an organization potentially has an impact on quality, and it is the responsibility of everyone to get quality right. There are other principles of social quality management approach. We can get the quality through people. We can also have the team-based management where teams are empowered and equipped to take necessary actions to correct problems or propose and implement improvements. We can also have the process alignment where the organization's processes are ensured that whatever they are doing is geared towards the same end. The processes of the organization, the way the organization do things, that's all geared towards achieving a common goal. We have the quality management systems and a continuous improvement. By way of summary, we have discussed how to measure quality of supplies. We have also learned what the right quality is. We continued by discussing the cost of quality, that is the cost to be incurred if quality is wrong or the cost to be incurred if we get the quality right. That's when we said we have the appraisal cost and the prevention cost. This was followed by a discussion of quality control and assurance. We then ended with total quality management. Thank you.